Good day, sir, madam. I'm Exima Sores, 28 years old, from Ujungan, Bajangan, Iloilo. I'm single. I graduated my college at West Visayas State University, Haniway Campus. My experience as a local domestic helper, as the one of take care of my nephew,
How old?
3 years old,
Until?
from the start after 3 years old.
You mean from birth?
Birth,
Since birth up to 3 years old, you are the one caring.
yes.
Mm-hmm. Then, continue.
I serve 3 members of the family.
Mm-hmm.
Adults, 40 years old, children from birth to 6 years old.
Mm-hmm.
Elderly ages is 60. My duties, obligations are I do housework such babysitters, cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, washing cars and dishes. I can cook food dishes, simple Chinese foods, and willing to learn more. My reason for going to abroad to support my family, especially in financial problem. To my future employer, I promise to finish my 2 years contract the best I can. Thank you.
Okay. XC, no? This is the first time to work abroad.
Yes.
How long are you planning to work there?